In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Microsoft Copilot on mobile. If you're looking to take Copilot off your phone, maybe to free up space or reduce notifications, this quick guide will walk you through it clearly and confidently. Start by locating the Microsoft Copilot app on your phone. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you see the icon, press and hold it. Keep your finger on the icon for a moment until a small menu appears or until the icons start to wiggle, depending on your device. When that menu appears, look for the option that says Uninstall. On some phones, you might see Remove App or Delete App instead. Go ahead and tap that option. Your phone will then show a confirmation pop-up asking if you really want to remove the app. This is just to make sure you don't delete it by mistake. Confirm by tapping OK, Uninstall, or Delete, whichever your device shows. After you confirm, your phone will handle the rest. You might see a quick progress indicator and then the Copilot icon will disappear. That's your sign that the app has been successfully removed from your device. If you'd like to double check, open your app drawer and search for Copilot. If it doesn't show up, you're all set. A quick note on wording. Different phones use slightly different labels, but the process is the same. Press and hold the app, choose uninstall or remove, and confirm in the pop-up. If you don't see an uninstall option at all, it may be because the app is managed by a work profile or restricted by your device administrator. In that case, you may need permission from your organization before you can remove it. Uninstalling the app removes it and its local data from your phone, but it doesn't delete your Microsoft account or any cloud-based content associated with it. If you ever change your mind, you can reinstall Copilot from your App Store and sign back in to pick up where you left off. That's it. Simple, fast, and done. You've removed Microsoft Copilot from your mobile device using a long press, a quick tap on uninstall, and a confirmation. If this walkthrough helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.